Hello and welcome to another Nexus Digital tutorial. My name is Brady, and in today's tutorial, we're going to walk you through the two-step verification process for Facebook. You're going to need to have this in place to do any kind of advertising to verify your business through the Facebook Business Manager, and it's also helpful to kind of have in place for your own personal security measures and just to make sure that no one hacks into your account. So with that said, let's get started. Okay, so from your desktop, what you're going to want to do is just go to facebook.com and log in if it's not already set to log in. And from the triangle button in your account section, you're going to click on that. You can go to your privacy and settings section, and you'll go into your settings. And along the left-hand side here, there's going to be security and login. You're going to want to click on that. And in this section here, you'll see your two-factor authentication. You want to click on that. If it's not enabled, and you're probably going to, it'll say edit, manage, you're going to click on that to turn it on. And this will bring you to your two-factor authentication, and you can see that it's turned on. And this is where you can kind of add in your security method. I've got my phone set up here, and you can kind of edit and manage. You can use a different phone number. You can turn it off or on or add a new phone number. The other options that I can suggest, I haven't done them yet, but Facebook has its own authentication app. You can set that up and go through here and kind of set it all up and just use your QR code from your phone. But I would recommend the easiest one is just your SMS. I've never used the security key, but it's like a USB key. And then there's also your recovery code, and they'll send you about 10 different recovery codes that you kind of store somewhere on your phone or on your computer that you can kind of use those. But primarily, I would highly recommend using the phone feature. Okay, so that was the setup process on a desktop computer for Facebook's two-factor authentication. We're going to take a look at the mobile app version right now, but I would highly recommend or suggest, if at all possible, to go the desktop route. The mobile apps sometimes can be a little bit finicky, so it just saves you time and a little bit of frustration if you do the desktop. It's quick, it's easy, but let's take a look at the mobile app right now. Okay, first thing you're going to do is open your Facebook app. In the hamburger menu on the top right hand side, you're going to click on that. You're going to scroll down. You should see your privacy and settings section. If it's not there, you just want to open it up. Clicking on that arrow, you're going to go into your settings. You're going to scroll down to security and login. You're going to scroll down again, and you're going to see the two-factor authentication. Click on that. Now this is where, if yours isn't turned on, you're going to turn it on. And then there's three different methods to do this. Personally, I use the SMS, but you may want to use the Facebook authentication app as like another backup. But you're going to turn it on, you're going to set it up, and you're going to select the SMS. And from here, you'll be able to, after you click the three dots, you should be able to add your phone number if it's not already in there, or modify your number. Make sure that it's the correct phone number for your cell. And then you can either use a different phone number or just make sure that yours is in there. Save it, and that is everything. And there you go. You've successfully added the two-step verification process for Facebook on the mobile app or on your desktop computer, and you're set to go and you're ready to do any kind of promotion through the Facebook Business Manager or verify your business through the Facebook Business Manager. And ultimately, you have secured your own privacy and security for your own Facebook profile so you don't get hacked. For this or any other helpful tips and tools and tutorials, please feel free to visit us at nexusdigital.co. And check out our resource section. If there's something that you need help with or you need some troubleshooting through, please feel free to drop us a line, reach out, and let us know what you need help with next. And we will see you the next time. Thanks a lot and have a good day.